All right, good morning. It's day 3 of the section hike. We just left Tricorner Knob Shelter. And it was very cold last night for me and Christy. Thinking I want to upgrade my mat sometime. I have a pretty cheap mat. Not very well insulated. But yeah, pretty sure probably low 30s is my guess. So it was quite a few people there. I would say 12 or more people at the shelter. But we have 15.7 miles for today to go to Newfound Gap, and that's where Cammie, our daughter, will pick us up. All right, so far I just want to recap the terrain and things like that. We had a bunch of climbing, so about 4 miles or so of climbing to begin the section hike. And once you get up to that elevation, you're pretty much at 5,000 to 6,000 feet. I think we even got over 6,000 feet, if I'm not mistaken. Water is good right now, but the number of water sources is a little bit scarce compared to everything else south of the Smokies. In fact, we're in the middle of a 8-mile carry, so yeah, it's just something about the Smokies. But actually, I mean, there's a lot of places where there's water running across the path. It's not really like enough to capture, efficiently. So, but that's because it's kind of wet right now. They had some rains up here. So anyway, yeah, but just like a lot of my previous section hikes, we're at nice elevation, and you can see mountains all around. So real nice. All right, we found another view spot. Yeah, we're really enjoying the fall colors starting to come in. Especially, I don't know if you can see that far ridge over there. The tip, there's a lot of colors there. Mm-hmm. We've got a rock face down here. Anyway, cool. Anyway, this is a pretty unique view here with this cliff. They, I guess, chipped out some of the cliff, and then this huge drop off, rocky face. Well, just a quick update on our on our stamina. Yeah, I guess we've traveled over 11 miles today already, approaching Charlie's Bunyan, and yeah, we're pretty spent already. We've got about 3 miles, I think, to Newfound Gap, where we're gonna get picked up. But yeah, yesterday really was the day that was tough, and just all that climbing. And then today is just kind of a long day, so just a long time on the feet. And we were trying to get to Newfound Gap today at a decent time, you know, so we can get into Gatlinburg and have like a nice dinner and stuff with our daughter, and just have a nice time. So we've been pushing ourselves, and we're a little spent right now. There it is, Charlie's Bunyan.
This is the most perfect weather.
All right, it's 6 o'clock, and we're rolling into Newfound Gap. It's a big day, 15.7 for us today, and we're pretty tired. We're trying to make the deadline, and which was 5 o'clock, and then we were able to text and tell our daughter 6 o'clock. But we didn't want to keep pushing later and stuff. So anyway, there we go. Really happy to see that, and we're going to go into Gatlinburg next. Oh, and the other thing is, Newfound Gap, since we did this section southbound, I calculated what the 200-mile mark would be for me, and this is the 200-mile mark for me. So that's another little goal. So this is awesome. Yay, soon we'll be at a hotel in Gatlinburg. Newfound Gap.